What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have a very exciting one for you today. This truck kind of snuck up on me. I didn't know it was coming. It's a 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate. The truck is wrapped flat black. It's amazing. It has gloss black fender flares and other trim on the truck. It's immaculate clean. It has 1,600 miles on it. We have a 6-inch BDS lift going on this truck. It does have the magnetic ride control, so remember we have to do the spacer kit that has the magnetic ride control adapters in it that makes the arc suspension run correctly and the Super Cruise run correctly on the truck. So we're about to get started on this one. We're going to be doing some 285, 55, 22 Nitto Ridge Grappler tires, which is like a 34-inch tire. And the customer brought some really good matching wheels, Corleone forged. This is a brand that I haven't ever filmed and put on the channel before, but I definitely have seen the brand before. It's a really nice looking wheel. It's a 5-spoke. It's way different than what we usually put on these trucks. So I'm very excited to see how it works out. I know that the wheels and the lift kit are gonna, the wheels in the truck are gonna match very well, and the lift kit is gonna complement it, really nicely too. So stay tuned. I'm about to get out real quick and show you what the truck looks like, and then we'll get started on it. So here's our amazing 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate. The truck is absolutely gorgeous. Has that flat black wrap on it with the gloss black fender trim, gloss black mirrors, gloss black door handles. You see what he did here. This looks great. The wheels that he brought, which I'll show you a little bit later, are the same color. They have flat black on the spokes, I believe, and then gloss black on the lip of the wheel. It looks awesome. This truck's going to be a really good matcher. Stay tuned for the process. I'm not going to waste any time. We're about to get it pulled in right now and get started on it. I'm back in the truck. We got our 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate ready to go. This is that flat black wrap truck. It looks amazing. We did the 6-inch BDS kit on it with the 34-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires and the 22x10 Corleone wheels. This truck does really look good. It's about 1:58 in the afternoon. The customer got here at 8 o'clock. He was told 2 days on the schedule, and that's what he expected to be here, because usually that's what it takes to do a lift kit like this. But lately they've been on a roll, and today is no different. The truck is ready to go a little bit early, so stay tuned. I'm about to get out of the truck and show you what it looks like. Here's our 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate. Truck turned out amazing. It's that flat black color on the wrap. I really had to look at this one. They did a good job on this wrap. I was trying to find any imperfection in it anywhere, and I really struggled, I ain't gonna lie. They did a good job on it. The wheels and tires that we went with, actually he brought the wheels, Corleones. They have this gloss black face to them, and they have this like matte black lip. Looks really, really cool. It matches up with the truck because he did the matte black on the wrap, and then he did gloss black on the fender trim and the mirror trim. So even on the steps here is gloss black, so that looks really, really good. The lift kit we did is the BDS 6-inch. BDS is a great lift kit. They're owned by the Fox company, Fox Shocks. They also make Zone Off-Road. We sell a lot of their products too. At 6 inches, we have great angles on the axles. This truck does have the magnetic ride control. That's what that electronic wire you see right there is. That's the magnetic ride control connection. Up on the top, we did their upper control arms. They actually come in the 6-inch kit. It's really, really good for the angle of the upper ball joint. And it looks cool. It looks really cool. There's the strut spacer on top of your strut. They do put some nice badging on the sway bar drops there, and all around the kit, really. In the back of this kit, we have there's your ride height sensor from GM. Down at the bottom, you'll see where we added lift blocks there. And then we did a shock extension here so that the truck does not realize that it is lifted. And everything in the computer system acts as it always did. And no lights come on in the dash. So that's a plus to this kit. There's not many kits out there that do this, so it's really, really nice. The cruise control, the Super Cruise still works just as fine as it did before the lift kit, so there's nothing that you lose on this truck. This is a great product to put onto it. So let me know what you think in the comments about this truck. I'm going to attach a quote about this one at the end of this, after this clip that you see here, and it'll have a price detailed of about everything that you can get on this build. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. We're at McDonough, Georgia at Southern Tire. Thanks for watching.